Hello dear students, this is your teacher Sachin Khurana. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about propensity to consume, in which we have discussed APC and MPC, that is average propensity to consume and marginal propensity to consume. Now let us make their schedules, right? First we will make for average propensity to consume, right? We know its formula is APC is equal to C upon Y, that is consumption upon income, right? So let's make a table. Let's take income level rupees in crores. Next, the consumption rupees in crore, right? Now let us calculate APC, that is C upon Y, right? So we'll take 5 income levels 0, 100, 200, 300 and 400. Right? The corresponding consumption levels over here are 40, 120, 200, 280 and 360. Now let us calculate the APC. Nil over here, then it would be 120 divided by 100 is equal to 1.2, right? 200 divided by 200 is equal to 1. 300 divided by 280 is equal to 0.93. 360 divided by 400 is equal to 0.90. Getting my point? So this is APC, right? Now let us see its curve. X-axis, Y-axis, point of origin, right? Here we take income in rupees crore. Here we take consumption in rupees crore, right? This is our point C. ये हमारा consumption curve, right? If I mark points like this, I take this N, I take this Y1, right? And I take this point as A. तो हम यहाँ पर APC दिखा सकते हैं C upon Y, right? Please note it down. Now after this, let us discuss MPC. MPC का बेटा हमने फॉर्मूला किया था, that is delta C upon delta Y. That is change in consumption upon change in income. So if we continue with this table, so let us here calculate delta C hyphen 80, 80, 80, 80. Note down, in examination you have to make different tables, right? Now if I calculate delta Y, right? So delta Y कितना है? 100, 100, 100 and 100, right? Now if I talk of calculating the MPC, so MPC कितना है? Is equal to delta C upon delta Y, right? Hyphen, it will be same as we have assumed consumption to be linear. So in every case it will be equal to 0.80. It means constant, right? Now let us make the diagrammatic presentation. x axis, y axis 0. Income in rupees crore, consumption in rupees crore. This is my consumption curve. I am taking the point C. This is M. This is N. Right? Sorry. Take this as Y. Y1. Right? Now I'm changing it. तो ये आ गया हमारा point N. This is Y2. Right? So see, this is the change. ये वाला और ये वाला. Getting my point? तो इस पॉइंट पे जब हम देखेंगे क्या होगा, MPC is equal to delta C upon delta Y. Getting my point? Is equal to MN upon Y1 Y2. राइट? अब इसको जाएं तो यहाँ पे पॉइंट A और पॉइंट B और पॉइंट D भी दे सकते हैं to make it easier. Getting my point? So dear students, if you have any doubt, you can leave a comment or call us. Thank you and have a nice day.